guys! Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a sit-down makeup tutorial slash first impressions review of some Fashion 21 items. So if you want to know my thoughts on these products and how I would use them, please keep on watching. And as promised guys, I'll be doing more of the sit-down makeup tutorials. Sometimes, it would just be from one brand, katulad ngayon. And minsan, pag hindi ko kayang buuin just from one brand, from different brands in just one tutorial. A few days ago, I was sent some Fashion 21 items, mainly eyeshadow and then brow products. Kaya inisip ko, para maging one brand makeup tutorial siya, bibiling ko na lang yung ibang items just to complete one look. And also, later you will notice some other products, iba-ibang shades, but yung iba, isa lang, since ako lang yung bumili nun. So, nag-alcohol lang ako guys, and my face has already been moisturized and primed, but my primer is not from Fashion 21 since nung nasa counter ako, wala akong makitang primer nila. Let's start off with this Fashion 21 Ultimate Cover BB Cream and Concealer. Yes, meron daw siyang cream and concealer in one. And this is SPF 30. Binili ko siya ng 225 pesos sa SM Department Store. And it looks something like this. Ayan. It comes in a squeezy tube, and as you can see, yung concealer nandito sa top part, dun sa may cap. So when you twist, oops, you get the concealer right there. Para siyang stick. BB cream is 20 grams and the concealer is 5.5 grams, and I got the shade number 1. Looking back at the packaging, may claims na nakalagay, and it says the total face coverage you'll ever need. The BB cream and concealer can be applied separately or used together to achieve a blemish-free look. So wala na akong biniling concealer, so I'll be using everything from this product. So I'll be squeezing some product at the back of my hand, and hindi naman siya runny, para siyang mousse consistency. This has a subtle scent, but it's pleasant. Hindi naman yung parang chemical scent that you'd get sa foundation or sa BB creams. I'll be using a brush to apply this product, and dito muna tayo mag-start sa area na yan. Oops, parang ang dami kong nailagay. Wait, lagay muna natin siya, and then later on, i-blend natin. So I can feel sa pag-blend ko o sa pag-apply ko, hindi siya mabilis matuyo kasi yung consistency niya is not that consistency na dumidikit agad sa face. I applied the first layer, and I would say this is a good match sa shade kasi kamukha lang din niya yung side na wala pang foundation. Let's do the other side. I'm going to do some swirling motion para makita natin kung ganun din ba siya. Parang ganun din naman yung itsura niya kahit anong gawin mo na pag-a-apply. And also, sa neck, maglalagay din ako. I still have some product at the back of my hand, but I'm done with the first layer, and I can say it looks natural. Although I can still see yung blemishes, na-blur niya ng konti yung aking veins, and the redness, medyo kita ko pa ng konti. But the thing is, sabi niya kasi ultimate cover, so I'm expecting really full coverage. I can say that this has like the medium coverage. We're off to concealing, and hindi ko alam kung paano to i-apply. Is it with a brush or what? Hindi naman niya in-indicate. So I'm just going to directly put it on my face since akin lang naman tong product. There. Lagay din natin siya dun sa may mga blemish na gusto nating i-cover. And sa places where I want to highlight. Dito sa under eye. Medyo mahirap lang siyang ipasok sa mga crevices and all. There. I'll use my finger to blend kasi baka pag ginamitan ko ng brush, kumalat lang yung concealer or mawala lang siya. Highlighting Cupid's bow and the nose and the under eyes. You know guys, I think this will be nice for normal to dry skin or di kaya combination. Kasi dewy siya, and I think dahil BB cream siya, mas mabilis siyang mag-oil up kaysa sa natural na foundation or matte foundation. But if you want something matte, meron din silang stick, foundation stick. We're going to set everything with this loose powder. This is the Fashion 21 SPF 50 loose powder. And I think there are 4 shades. Tama, 4 shades. I got shade number 1. Achieve remarkably soft and smooth tone coverage. Let's see. So, ito yung packaging niya. Ayan. Let's open the product. It comes with a puff. And meron siya sticker sa loob, so I have to remove that first. So, I'll be dispensing dito na lang sa cup para hindi naman siya direct na kukuha dun sa may sifter. Getting some powder with the same brush that I used to apply yung BB cream, and unahin ko syempre yung under eye since mabilis mag-set dyan yung concealer. Oh wow, it's very yellow. Wait, hindi ko kinaya, sobrang yellow niya. I did not expect na ganito siya ka-yellow. It did lighten. Napadami lang talaga yung lagay ko, guys. And parang habang nasisip-sip nung BB cream yung loose powder, natatanggal yung pagka-yellow niya. But I think I should have gotten something with a different undertone because this one is too yellow for me. I'm now done with my foundation, concealer, and loose setting powder. Now naman, we're going to bronze or contour the face. Actually, nung nagtitingin ako, wala talaga silang mainly for bronzing or contouring. But meron silang kasama sa mga blush. This is the Fashion 21 Single Blush On, pero pwede daw siya for bronzing or contouring, sabi ni ate sa SA. Lighter shade, darker shade, and when mixed, trinay ko kasi silang i-mixin yung mga swatches. I'm going to try and mix both powders, pero mas lamang yung lighter shade. And try to contour. Dito naman sa jawline. Underneath the jawline, I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. I'm done contouring the face with this product, and as you can see, guys, ayan na siya. Sobrang subtle lang ng ginawa ko since I am still unsure of my eyeshadow, kung anong eyeshadow look I'm going for. Now we're off to the brows, and ang dami nilang sinend, guys, na brow products. So I'm going to go through each of them. So ito yung eyebrow pencils nila, and they sent me 3, but looking at the website, I think they have 4 shades of this one. So the ones that I have are dark brown, light brown, and chocolate brown. I think I am chocolate brown sa kanilang eyebrow pencil. When you open, you get this pencil and then this fully brush. So kung pambrowsan talaga, I think mas okay to since yung susunod ko ipapakita, mas mahal siya ng konti. But again, this one are just for the brows. These are the products that I'm talking about. These are the Fashion 21 Duo Eye Enhancers, and it has 6 shades. Eyebrow pencils for 75 pesos kasi pambrowsan sila, but this one is for the brows, and for the eyes, you can use this on your waterline, 125 pesos each. Other than mas maraming shades si Duo Enhancer compared to the eyebrow pencils, if you're going to compare this Duo Enhancers, they have this ashy shades. Going to mention yung mga shades from lightest to darkest. We have honey blonde, blonde, and then we have light brown, dark brown, and then mahogany brown, and lastly, the darkest one is natural black. These eyebrow pencils are quite waxy, so nice sila for the brows, but I also noticed that with Duo Enhancers, they are much creamier. Napili ko si mahogany brown. One tip that I learned sa isang workshop, mas mabilis daw kasi maubos talaga si eyebrow pencil than any other brow products. So, mas maganda, gamitin mo na lang siya to outline and then use powders to fill in yung mga gaps dito sa brows. That's what I'm going to do today since I have a brow product na powder to show you later. And guys, sobrang creamy nito. Hindi mo kailangang i-diin as in. And kung konti lang naman yung i-fill in mo, kahit ito lang, okay na. As in, konting-konti lang dahil sobrang pigmented nito. Brushing, and now we're off to filling it in with eyebrow powder. These are the Fashion 21 Duo Eyebrow Powders, and I think nagkamali sila ng scent since sa site meron 2 shades, and pareho yung shade na sinend nila. So I'm just going to use kahit alin sa kanila dahil pareho naman sila. So when you open, guys, you get 2 eyebrow powders. Napansin ko yung isa, it's ashy, the other one is a little bit more warmer, and meron kang maliit na brush to apply it. Pero kahapon trinay ko siya, I just don't like the brush. So gagamitin ko na lang yung brush ko na may spoolie on the other side. Okay, kuha tayo. And I'm going to re-outline. Tapos after, i-fill in ko na siya. Also done with the other side. Just brushing para matanggal yung mga excess products. Alam niyo, isa sa problema ko sa aking brow hair is that it just doesn't stay in place. Bumabagsak talaga siya as in parang ganyan. So I'm going to use this Fashion 21 eyebrow gel. I have this before they sent this to me, but I didn't know that they have a clear. So today, I'm torn between clear and then this shade. Itong isang shade na yan. But I'm going to show you swatches. I'm just going for this shade in reddish brown. And sana hindi siya ganun ka-reddish. So I'm carefully brushing dun lang sa hair, hindi dun sa skin. Now, I do not know if you can notice that it is slightly lighter than this one. Done with the brows, and as I can see, tamed naman na yung aking brow hair. And one thing that I also like, hindi siya matigas kahit sabihin mo na nakastay in place sila. Done with the brows, now we're proceeding with eyeshadow. And they sent me 5 eyeshadow kits. Ang pangalan ng shades is just 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The palette looks sleek. Actually, I like it, and mas madali siya for traveling. I'm going to flash the swatches of this eyeshadow kits. And if you're going to notice, everything is shimmery except for one matte shade that is the darkest. But some of the kits, wala talaga siyang for brow bone highlight. I'm choosing palette number 4, and I chose this one because yung binili ko na lipstick is mas bagay sa neutrals. I'm going to take this shade, second shade from the top, And knowing me, hindi naman ako masyadong ma-eyeshadow and I want for my eyeshadow na sobrang simple lang talaga. With the other side of the brush that is still clean, I'm going to take this first shade for my main lids. Ito ko lang siya ilalagay sa pinaka main lids. Sobrang simple lang guys, taking this reddish brown shade on a blending brush na mas maliit. Because I have small lid space, I'm going to put it sa outer corner. With a pencil brush, I'm taking this matte brown shade na sa pinakababa. And then we're going to line the lower lash line. Now with this Fashion 21 Duo Eye Enhancer in Natural Black, I'm going to do my tight line. And of course, magsasmudge din ako sa aking upper lash line because we don't have any eyeliner to use. Now I'm going to smudge the upper lash line using this pencil brush and just the top of the line that I did, hindi yung buong liner. Now we're off to mascara and this is the Fashion 21 Double Up Mascara. I got the shade black. Hindi ko alam kung may iba pang shade pero black yung kinuha ko. First, I have to curl my lashes. This is the wand. Ayan siya guys. And hindi ko alam kung may fiber siya but I'm going to apply. Starting from the roots and then holding it up para nakataas yung lashes. I don't think that it makes a curl stay, but it really does lengthen. Kasi yun lang naman talaga yung claim sana. I'm going to bow down kasi ang hirap maglagay sa lower lashes. I'm done with the mascara and what do you think guys? Sa tingin ko, it really does lengthen. Kaya lang, pag gumanyan ako, you can see na mahaba talaga siya pero hindi siya gaanong kita up front, lalo na dito sa upper lashes since nakadiretso pa rin yung lashes ko. So I want something na sana mas curly. I have yet to put on my blush and I have this Fashion 21 Mineral Based Fine Blush Powder. And yung shade niya, I think it's in number 1 kung naalala ko. Kasi yesterday, I swatched everything. And it comes in this packaging. Ayan siya guys. And then we have a mirror right here. When you open, may kasama siyang brush. You can also use your own brush kasi na-open naman siya like so, ganyan. And the way you use this, sabi nung sales lady, itaktak mo daw pa ganyan para pumunta yung product right here and then you can now use it. Alright, I think okay na yan. And sa tingin ko guys, kung meron kayong sariling brush, might as well use your own brush kasi medyo prickly yung brush ng kasama. Pero pwede nyo namang i-open and then get the product para siyang loose powder sa loob. For the last part of this tutorial, I have this Fashion 21 All Day Matte Lipstick and I got the shade Rosette. Alright, this is the packaging guys. And pag in-open mo siya, yun yung una ko napansin talaga guys. Para talaga siyang plastic, as in, parang hindi siya totoong lipstick. Super shiny na, pero pag sinatch mo siya, it's matte. Wait, I'm going to show you. Matte na matte naman siya. There you have it. This is the Fashion 21 Eyeshadow Kit number 1 and kukunin ko yung topmost shade and gagamitin ko siya as my highlighter. So there you have it guys, a simple look using Fashion 21 items. And kung tatanungin niyo ako kung alin yung favorite items ko within this haul or within this sit-down makeup tutorial, I'll choose these 2 items. First is the brow gel which I use to tame my unruly brow hair. And of course, yung lipstick na ginamit ko which is in the shade Rosette. I hope you like them and if you do, please give me a thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching! Bye!